Hey guys, welcome back to another Discord tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a Discord server in under 5 minutes, and it starts right now. Alright, so the first link you'll want to go to is straight in the description, and that'll be Splatbot. Now first of all, you'll want to create a Discord server to do this. So we'll go create server, skip the question, subscribe server. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe, it's free. Let's create the server. Now right now we have barely any channels, so what this bot is going to do is basically it's going to have a command, and we can make an entire server using just this bot. So let's go and do the capture, whatever this thing is actually called. Alright, so we'll verify the bot. The bot has already explained itself right here. Alright, so first of all we want to go /setup. Now we can pick, these are the only available server creations at the time of recording. So we'll want to go with community if we're creating community, but for today I'm going to pick gaming. So we'll enter in the command, it deletes all the channels of this server. And now it starts to create the channels. Now the bot is going to take its time to set up the permissions for the moderation channels, which you'll soon see with a padlock. As you can see, it now says 60% done, all channels and voice chat permissions are done. Starting roles. Now the bot will start to create the roles for the server, which you can see right here. It will create it a bit slowly because of rate limits and stuff like that, but it shouldn't take that long. All roles and permissions are done. Would you like me to set up self roles for you? So this will create additional extra self roles for you as well. So now it's starting the self roles system. If it does take longer than 4 minutes, we can always do /bug and tell the bot developers about the bug. Now it's asking if we'd like to give everyone the member role. We may as well do that if we want to. Now it's complete. Now we can have rules set up all for us as well if we don't want to create rules. And there we go. We have our rules and we have our self roles. Now the roles should be located back here now. We have extra roles. So if we just click on this tab and click on our role, and now we can check our role. We have received our role. Now that we have finished setting up the server, all we need to do now is come down into the staff channels and go /config, and then we press enter. Now we can config some server logs. Now what you'll want to do is right click on your server logs channel and copy the ID. This is very important if you want to set up your logging. Now we press click me and we will paste the ID into there and we'll go submit. Now the logging channel has been set to logs. We can test this by going test, and then we can delete it and it'll head straight into the logging channel. Now we can also set up a join log, a leave log and a boost channel. So the boost channel will notify you when a member has boosted the server. The join log will be the welcome channel. So we'll right click and copy on the ID of the welcome channel, come back here, join log, go to join channel, paste the ID. Now we've also got the add role. So if we want members to automatically receive a role, we'll just come over to the members role, copy the members role ID, and now we'll paste the role. And now the members role will automatically be applied. Now we will also set the leave log channel. We'll need to come back up here and copy the welcome channel again. Set the leave channel to the welcome channel. And now you have a fully set up Discord server ready to go. If you want to add more channels, you can go ahead. This will not affect how the server works and stuff. The self roles will still operate the same. But basically you have a pre-made server all ready for you to go, and you don't have to muck around with creating self roles with Carlbot or Dino or any of that. It's all pre-made for you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.